Welcome, today I am with Gigabyte Aorus Fi27Q, and today I want to show you how we can enable or disable this small LED indicator. So at the first you have to go under this indicator and find button, click on it once to enter this menu, go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down to the system, go for the right side, go for the other settings. Next you have to go for the right side and find LED indicator. Right now it's turned on, but we can, for example, turn it off. As you can see, the small indicator is just not activated anymore. And you can also go for the friendly. So we can decide, honestly, I'm gonna turn it on. And when you make a change, you can just go back. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.